Hello, I wish you happy holidays and a happy new year. Until then, I wish you good health, happiness, and joy.
Hello. I want for Christmas especially health and to finally see each other, hug and fun at school. And the next wish is peace in the world for all people. These are my humble wishes and I hope they come true.
Hello guys, I know this year has been very confusing. I hope you all have nice time. For next year, I wish you good luck, joy, health, and fun.
Hi, this year I had fun and I learned some things about computers and that stuff. But I miss my classmates and teachers. For the next year, I wish to become a animator on YouTube and have a lot of views.
Hello, in year 2021 I hope coronavirus disappear and people can go on holidays. I want shops to be open because I like shopping and I want borders to be open because I like traveling too. If only we could start hanging out again.
Hi my friends. It's true that this year has been a little bit stressful, but don't worry, there will be soon a new year and you can start all over. I hope that this virus will disappear and will never be talked about
It's
again.
winter again, it's cold again. It's Christmas time again to take away your worries.
Hello there! The first thing I wanted to tell you is what I learned from this year. It's to not expect anything, but appreciate everything you have, especially family and friends.
I wish for everyone to be healthy and happy. I wish for you to have happy holidays, happy Christmas, and happy New Year.
Everyone,
Bye!
welcome into my home. I'm here with our Christmas tree. 2020 has been an interesting year. We all learned something new. I learned how to be more independent. I know how to cook for myself, and I also learned that I'm not alone. I have my family, friends, and teachers who help me with everything. I hope that 2021 is going to be better and that we can see each other in person again. In the meantime, I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in the circle of your family. May all of your wishes come true and stay safe.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Wishing you in the very best.
If year 2020 wasn't the best, let's make 2021 the best year. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye.
Hi. So 2020 was a hard year for all of us. This pandemic was rough and I wish that it ends soon because it's annoying and I want to go to school to see all of my friends and new teachers as well.
I wish everyone Merry Christmas and I hope you're gonna spend it with people that you love and let it 2021 be a happy and of course healthy new year full with peace and joy. Sending you my warmest wishes.
Hi, for me 2020 was an interesting year. A lot of things happened. I know that some people really hate this year, but I don't because I made some really close friends. I hope that people will respect what they have because everything can change quickly.
Hello everyone. In this year I learned that being at school is much better than being at home with my annoying little sister. So, my wish in this year is that we can go to school, that we can have some
fun. For 2021, I wish you all to be healthy, to be safe, to be happy. find new hobbies, find new friends, work on your family relationship. If you have any issues with that, try working on your mental health. It's very important. Try working on your confidence, because why not?
Hey guys, 2020 is about to end, and all I can say about this year is that it wasn't something that we expect it will be, but it will become our past very soon. So I wish you guys a happy new year and a lot of health, and don't forget to wear masks and everything we need to do now.
I know it hasn't been the best year and that some of you have had it even worse, but I just wish that you spent it with someone you love or you know you can trust. I hope that you have a Merry Christmas and that you stay the happiest.
Hello. I agree that this year was weird, and as you said, we could learn something. For example, I learned that you must know how to stop and give up something, but maybe the cancelled festival or party will give you more important moments which we can spend with our family. We did so many things together, and I'm quite sure that we wouldn't do all this in one usual year.
Hi. On New Year's Day, drive worries aside, smile broadly, look to the future, ignore obstacles, and discover the right paths. I wish you a Happy New Year and Happy Christmas.
This year was crazy. Something was happening all the time. For example, Corona, and I changed school. That was hard to me. I had to leave all my friends and find new ones. But I did it. Year 2020 was unpredictable, but fun too. Everything wasn't so bad. And I wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. But I hope the year 2021 will be better than this.
Hello dear friends and teachers. In 2020 I learned a lot of things. That the sun always shines behind the clouds, and that is necessary to respect, love, and fellow human being. Above all that, however, one should help oneself in the bad times if that is all possible. So, I hope that the year 2021 will be better than 2020.
Of course, at the end of this year's school and for the holidays, I wish you a lot of laughter and beautiful moments in 2021. Of course, a lot of health and joy and a Merry Christmas.
2020 was a really bad year with COVID, US elections, and a whole bunch of other stuff causing issues in this world. And for that reason, I wish everyone a happy Christmas holiday, a very, 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 very good New Year, and also a very, 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 very good and healthy 2021. I hope that everyone stays healthy until we get rid of COVID-19, which is a terrible virus.
And remember, no matter the situation, Christmas is not a real Christmas if we don't look forward to it as kids. A little bit of selfishness, a little bit of seriousness, a little bit nonsense and surprise. Happy Christmas and New Year!